I'm going to show you a super fast and easy way to make your own homemade dog food. This is Grownzy, and a lot of people use it to make your own homemade organic baby food. But we're dog moms here, so we're going to be making our very own homemade dog food. Out of the box, it was really simple to use. I used purified water, and I pre-prepped some vegetables to use in this recipe. I've included boiled eggs, quinoa, baby carrots, sweet potatoes, green beans, butternut squash, and I'm going to add some turmeric and black pepper to activate that turmeric. And the turmeric is really good as an anti-inflammatory, and Violet is 12, so...
Right, and then we're going to do 25 minutes. Auto. Yes, it's working. It's doing something. It's starting to build up some condensation over here.
This is so simple, and it actually steams, mashes, and purees all of my ingredients for me. I pre-cooked some ground pork with a little bit of egg. Now I'm actually adding in some flaxseed for some added health benefits. During the last 2 minutes is when all the action happens. Chopping, mincing, and pureeing. I'm really impressed by the ease of use, and that it only took me 25 minutes to achieve these results. I also feel really good knowing that I'm feeding Violet a really good, organic, healthy meal where I know where all of the ingredients come from. In the future, I can totally see using the vegetables that I grow in my garden. So this will really be farm to table. I actually did try a little bit of this, and it did taste really tasty. So I know that Violet's actually getting a tasty meal because it's so healthy that I could even try it. If you're interested in trying out this recipe for yourself, I'm gonna flash it up on the screen for you. And of course, I'm gonna link the Grownzy here for your convenience.
Is it good?
There you have it. Violet is a happy, healthy pup, and she loves her homemade dog food. This will last Violet for the entire week. This is practically my new toy, and as a dog mom, I've been having a lot of fun creating my own recipes, so don't be surprised when I'm sharing them on all my socials. And so far, Violet is the one totally reaping the rewards. Treat your best friend to their best meal.